Your shower is ready.
Check
Please
that.
proceed to shower 4.
30 to 45 minutes. Okay. 15 to 30 minutes now. And only one person waiting for a shower. They just improved the time.
Fry to you.
You want the fry? No, I'm looking for the roast beef. All right.
And he is a beggar.
Look at you. Oh, now he. Oh, nope.
Nope.
Still not going for that fry.
DMT Test Instruments Minnesota.
God bless the truckers. It's a smoker. That is a smoker. Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you? While Troy takes the garbage out, it's time for snacks at the Love's truck stop because we're going to be spending 3 days in Chicago at McCormick Place, which is actually like a convention center parking lot. So there's no stores around there. So we're going to pick up a couple of goodies. I already bought our meal stuff and planned all our meals for the next 2 weeks. And then we'll be back in Texas, so I won't have to worry about that anymore. But here we go. Look at this. This is buy one, get one free. Welcome to Love's Truck Stop in Hampshire, Illinois. It's right near Harmony, Illinois. And this is at Love's Crossing. I really enjoy the parking lot experience. I find it pretty clean and easy to work with. And then you have the convenience store right there. They do have showers here. I took a little video of the wait time and how that was working yesterday. It went fairly quick. First, they were like 30 to 40 minutes for waiting for a shower. And it went down to 15 minutes within the 10 minutes that we were sitting there waiting for our food. We actually got some stuff at Arby's. I haven't eaten in Arby's in like 7, 8 years, so maybe 10. It's been a long time. But I had a Jamocha shake, and I used to really like those, but I didn't really like this one. It was like too vanilla-y. Anyway, so the other part of the experience was easy check-in. The noise, it was Saturday night outside Chicago, so there were definitely some motorcycles here, and I heard road noise or motorcycle noise mostly, or truck, you know, the big blah, 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 blah. I never heard the 18-wheelers. They're on the other side of the parking lot. It's like on the opposite side of the store. So it's no problem with that. But yeah, I heard the motorcycles and the truck exhaust until like 1 a.m. probably. So it did wake me up a couple of times, but that's all right. And then it was very quiet. So now it's Sunday morning. Very quiet after that. There's a little check-in box over here that you can use that has a pickup phone if you need to actually call somebody for help. But so far it's been super easy. Saw a hot air balloon go by, which was incredible. And I'm right next to a cornfield, so the only insects I'm finding that are annoying are stink bugs. I expected to see some of the Asian beetles, but I haven't seen those yet. But the stink bugs are here, and they do love RVs, so I'm going to be pretty mindful of that. When I get to the McCormick Place and the other parking lot, I'm going to pull everything out from my undercarriage and I'm going to spray everything down. So that's where we're at. And yeah, I would rate this, I don't even have a scale. 4 guitars, I don't know. I liked it. I would do this again. I think it's convenient, clean, easy, safe, a little bit noisy. You're at a truck stop, you know, that's to be expected. Put some earplugs in. But otherwise, definitely put RV Loves Stop on your list. Monster RV. Where's your papa?